So how much mortgage can you afford, or how much home can you afford?
That's like the number one question that home buyers ask. And there are a multitude of factors that go into determining that. And it's really important to understand that before you fall in love with a home that maybe isn't in your price range.
One example is, a home for $300,000 might have a very expensive HOA fee, association fee, and it might also have very expensive taxes. That $300,000 home might not be affordable for someone, but a $400,000 home with cheaper taxes and cheaper HOA might work for that client. So it's very important to understand the big picture of how much home you can afford.
And all of that is going to change from home to home, as he just described. So it's really difficult for us to narrow down just one particular price range. We can kind of get a max idea, but the reality is that from property to property, neighborhood to neighborhood, it could look totally different based on your own personal details. So it's really important to check every address when you find a home that you really think could work. Get a starting point and then continuously update and make sure that you stay within the parameters that you qualify for.
One of the things that we always tell clients is make sure that you let us know before you put an offer on a home. Give us the address. We will run the full scenario with the taxes, with the insurance, with the HOA expenses. That way you have a full understanding of what the actual true costs and expenses will be with owning that home, and that you truly can afford the home before you put the offer in.